don't work, does it? It's a waste of time. Aha! Got it.
Nice.
Bloody hell. I hope this works after this.
You'd hope so.
Yeah. Right. Let's go and get the other bit I dropped on the floor somewhere. Oh, mind the drill.
Mind the drill.
And he lines it up.
Oh, he shoots.
Where's the other hole? We'll take it that's the hole.
Yeah. Oh.
That went through.
Yep.
Can anybody guess what is in here? Please leave comments and then I'll tell you after a while what's in there. Right, back to this. Don't need that. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Ah, that's instructions. Don't need that. Dave knows everything. What are these for? Do you know what they're for? I've never used them before, so I won't bother now. Right. Don't need them. I hope. Yeah. I think you're supposed to put them into the hole first.
Oh, so they're like the threads.
No, lost it.
Oh.
That's alright, I found it.
So
what am I supposed to do now?
Good question. You sure you don't need the instructions?
No, not me.
Okay.
I'm a Dave. I'll screw that to the wall first.
Alright.
I am a professional, by the way.
Definitely.
Should have got somebody to do this for us. I think the drill's not good enough.
Oh, sawdust.
Yep.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. No, I don't trust that.
You don't trust me?
No, I don't
You've
trust
never
that.
trusted me.
What if it flew off?
Trouble is, you've never trusted me. Don't know why.
I do know why.
You do know why. It was up there where that hole went. It's already been drilled. No, I didn't really. I drilled the hole earlier.
Yeah.
Sure.
Here's what I made earlier.
Not that hole. That hole. That hole didn't work. I hope this bloody works.
Oh yeah, I hope so.
It's a waste of bloody camera when it falls off. There you go, children. Let's try again. Right.
Yeah.
I am a professional.
Preferably do this before I run out of space on my phone. See, that's going through.
Yeah, because it's not brick, it's thingy.
You alright?
No. It's alright. Doing Dave things. I'm alright.
Okay.
Don't worry. Well, beep.
Bit late for that.
I might have to have the hammer
Okay.
Yeah. Glad I've done this sort of thing before.
Okay, that's going in.
Yeah, that'll do.
That'll do.
That'll do, Dave. I don't think that will work. I don't think it'll work. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge packer. I don't think that's worked.
No. Do you need a hammer?
Go deeper. I look getting deeper. Deeper and deeper.
Hey, should I get you the hammer?
You might need to.
Alright. That's the one. I present to you.
More dust.
Hammers fix everything. I'll just put it down there.
It fits in.
Oh,
Ish. It's a bit big, but
like
glove.
a glove that's maybe a bit too big for
Look,
you.
a sock on the wrong foot. Look, a sock on your hand. This ain't going too well.
It's like those one-size-fits-all gloves that never fits anyone.
That's gonna just fall out, isn't it? Who thought of that? Right, I'm gonna have to try again somehow. Who thought of that? That's a bit shitty, isn't it? Honestly. I've got stuff in my eye now. That's not gonna fit in, is it? And they expected them little ones to fit in there. I don't think that's gonna work. What a twerk. Ooh, hello. Right. This is harder than it looks, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder people get somebody else to do it. It's not going to stay up, is it?
Oh yeah, put your back into it.
That's not going to hold, look.
Oh no, that just comes straight out.
So I'll do that Dave thing. Do it later.
Yeah.
Tell you what. I'll stop now. I'll do it later.
Okay.
I've got my cup of tea to have yet.
Oh yeah, you don't want that getting cold.
No. Right. I think I'll find somebody else to do it. Don't tell them.
Alright, I won't.
Not long enough. I don't know what to do. I have to go and find some screws from somewhere.
So, we just finished up after a lot of trialing, and I'm going to take the tape off. And there we go. It is actually up. So, in the app, you can actually go into it, and you can see what's going on. That's a live feed.
You've made that the cord go down there and up.
So you can hear him messing around. I can talk through it, I can start a voice call, I can switch an alarm off. We put a 256GB SD card in it, so it won't run out for a while. And we can check out any recordings from detected events in here. Like me taking that off. And that is now saved on the SD card. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just a good camera. I was actually kind of surprised that we managed to set it up. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't fall. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.